March 13th. Guys, I got a video for you today. I had a event, passed out for about 3 hours this afternoon. I had the door open and I just passed out in the living room. Thank God I didn't have nothing turned on in the kitchen. But in this vision, which I don't know how to describe, I don't even know the words to describe it. It's put that way. It's no words that I could even describe it. But I was given a tour by an invisible, light loving being. I know it sounds crazy. Remember, I've already crossed over before. No fear. It was pleasant. It was beautiful, and I was given a tour like that movie. It was a movie. It's a Wonderful Life. When he was given a tour, it was the importance of your life, what it meant for others. If you weren't alive. Spirit told me you're angry. You're angry, and it's blocking you from helping one. Remember to save one. I'm referring to the near-death experience I had in the hospital. I spoke about it in other videos, but since there are newcomers, I have to re-say it so you can see the picture where I'm coming from. Sent back, and I was shown the ones that basically did a lot of harm to me. I saw what they're doing with all the money, over $60,000 that was, and how they're moving it around and hiding it and all that other stuff, how they're living. And I said, should I report this? I said, no, that's blood money. What they did to you and what they're doing to you right now, it's blood. They don't realize you don't mess. They don't realize who you truly are, and they will face the consequences when the time comes. So do not worry and be stressed out about that. Now, I'm making videos and I don't know if this video is going to get through. I'm being blocked. The reason I'm doing short videos is because when I do a video like this, if this one gets through, you understand where the message, or get the feeling that I'm going through right now. I'm being open. I'm covering up 99.999% of other things. I have to, for so many reasons. But in this tour, I was shown again the messages in the stars. Look up. Look to the stars. Look to the moon. Look to the sun. Look to the comets. There's a message here. Look at the numbers like you always done before you post prior videos in the past. You always revealed it slowly with one person. Now that one person knows that behind the scenes what you do with crunching mathematics, numbers, equations, like Stefan does, who explains the sun to us in simple. He does the equations, but he explains it so for us to understand. This video right here, part 2, about this right here, about he explains this right here. Play a little bit because so it's off the scale right now. So he explains that perfectly. Now I understand what's happening. But what cool thing about him is he's connected with the Native American. He knows about the Native Americans' belief, mythology, teachings, Mother Earth, from A through Z, other teachings, and he brings it to the table like little sprinkle, you know what I mean? But now I was watching him and went to 12. When he was right here, it like a lightning bolt hit. I'm just using that as a metaphor. In my spiritual sense, he breaks it down. This is the video he did today. See, all that energy that I showed that video of, he explains it, and he knows it's excellent. He has great communication skills. He knows about mathematics, like the Magi's video that I've done about the Magi's. There was a video that I did about the Magi's. I don't know if it was this one when I was following the wolf comet, but I did do about the Magi's, and I did this right here, the mathematics and numerology, 2112, 1221, like this piece of puzzle. I'm doing this video first, and I want to come back because I have a vision, revelation about this numerology, Leo constellation, this right here, everything that's happening right now, the waves from space, from the creator. Let me put this out and let me meditate on the video that can, remember, I bring 1% to the table. I try to bring 1% to the table. So the next video with the blood moon coming up tonight into the March 13th, number 13, which has a lot of significance, the number 13 with the Holy Mother Fatima. So let me try to relay something, this, because this data is so heavy that I can't even talk. So, but I have to do it. You know, I've done 77 videos. Look at numerology. 77 videos on this comet right here alone.